Hey mamas, if you've ever panicked before a wedding or birthday party because you have no idea how to style your daughter's hair, no worries. Today I've got you covered with some quick, easy peasy lemon squeezy girls' wedding hairstyles that'll have your little one looking like she just walked out of a salon. So grab your brush, a few hair ties, and let's do this. First, we're going to start with the braided pony. We'll section off 2 sections in the front and do a simple braid that's secured with an elastic at the bottom. Once each side is braided, you'll take the 2 braids and bring them together with another elastic. Then, take the braids, twist them, and pull the remaining hair through. Squeeze the bottom hair tie to pull it secure and loosen the braid for a more full effect. There is your braided pony. Next, we'll do the twisted bun. You'll separate the hair into 2 sections and just twist it, one side over the other. Then you'll twist it up into a bun and grab an elastic to secure over the bun. You'll hold it up to the head, grab a bobby pin, and slide one in to secure it to the head. And there you go. Next, we'll do the French fishtail. You'll take a section of hair near the top of the head, separate it into 2, and pull a section from the outside of the left side over the right side. Then you'll pick up some additional hair and fold it over the top. On the right side, you'll pick up some additional hair, grab some from the right side, and fold it over the top. You'll continue to do this as you work your way down the head. Eventually, you get to the bottom where there's no additional hair to pick up, and you just take some hair from the outside and cross it over. Some hair from the other outside, cross it over, until you get to the bottom, and you'll secure it with another elastic. Then you'll pull the braid to give it a full effect, and there is your French fishtail. If you want to take this style and make it into more of an updo, you can twist the braid and secure it with 1 or 2 bobby pins for a completed look. And there you have it. 3 stress-free wedding hairstyles that will have your daughter looking adorable and put together without you losing your mind. If this saved you from a hair disaster, hit the subscribe button for more easy peasy lemon squeezy mom hacks.